Hello friends. This is another video in DIY Tally support category. How to run both Tally Prime and Tally.ERP9 parallelly in same computer. This is the most common query that we are facing since the launch of Tally Prime. Although Tally Prime is a next generation business management software, which come with whole new look, a whole new experience and aims to make Tally simpler than ever before. There are some users who want to know if they can run both Tally Prime and Tally.ERP9 parallelly in same computer before migrating. What are the major considerations before migration? 1. Test the new features and interface of Tally Prime before migration. 2. If you have some customization on your software and you want to make sure it is working on Tally Prime as on Tally.ERP9. What you require before, prerequisites. 1. You should have a valid credentials for your Tally license. Valid account ID and Tally.net password. 2. 64-bit Windows operating system. Tally Prime will only run on 64-bit Windows OS. 3. You should have a valid Tally.net subscription. 4. Make sure to take the data backup before you want to do any change in existing. 5. As Tally.ERP9 and Tally Prime have a different database, you have to make sure to change data path in both softwares. Both softwares will have different data paths, and once you migrate to Tally Prime you cannot go back to Tally.ERP9. Please follow the below steps. 1. To open Tally.ERP9 software in admin mode, right-click on icon and run as administrator. 2. Go to licensing in Tally.ERP9 and surrender the license. 3. Activate the license on Tally Prime. 4. Configure the Tally.ERP9 to Tally Prime gateway server. 5. Configure data paths for both softwares. Now we will watch the video to see how it is done practically.